Welcome to my second video. Oh damn, that was loud. So today we are playing Modern Warships. If you haven't checked out the last video, go check it out. I'm gonna lower down the audio or something. Okay, so our goal today is to win one match with this. Okay. To battle. Oh well. Look around. So basically, Modern Warships is just like where you control a ship, kill other enemies. Yeah. Deploy helicopter. Cause that's what I'm gonna do. Can I drop? Oh yes, I can.
Left full rudder.
Yeah, probably around over here. Whoa, how? Oh crap. Oh shit. Gotta go. Oh no. And there goes our only helicopter.
Contact on the radar. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Submarine rocket launcher standby. Left turn. Take course 070.
Oh crap. It says that I'm spotted, but spotted by who?
Captain has the con.
Oh.
All hands on deck. Firing enemy warships. Missile silos transfer target package Alpha Bravo 22. Prepare for launch.
Oh yeah.
Enemy contact on the radar.
Avoid collision. Oh come on. Watch out! Oh, I have max.
Stand by rocket launcher.
Oh crap!
Launch detection. Radar report 10 seconds to
Missile. Oh no.
Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Enemy advanced when it's been destroyed.
Okay, good. because our team,
Half ahead.
there's no ships destroyed. So we're gonna help over there by moving so slow. Well,
Home crew is ready for repair.
okay. So everything's locked and loaded.
Helicopter ready for orders.
There they are.
Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Left turn. Take course 070. Left turn.
No.
Take course 070.
Insert.
Target enemy warship. Pylon ready. Ahead 25 knots. Clearers are ready to open fire. One left. Battery officer ready. Direct hitting of enemy aircraft.
Oh no. Run, fine.
Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates.
Oh wait, this. Okay, after you defeat that, we'll show you this
Launch,
always.
receiving coordinates. Tank 050. Go ahead.
I gotta sacrifice myself now.
Signs on the way. Clearers are ready to open fire. Go ahead. Engine standby. Prepare for launch missile ready. Half ahead.
Collision and we are victory!
Enemy warships destroyed.
Okay, damn. Well, it's been 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So, plus the intro and this match, I can win a match in about 6 minutes. Well, hopefully. Well, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below what games you play and rank these games: Minecraft, Roblox, or Fortnite. Yeah. Okay, so bye. This is my second video though. Thank you.